Developing this radical new weapon was not a simple task, and the road to success was difficult. The intense testing took place at the secret military facility of Peenemünde, situated on the Baltic coast. The early days of the weapons program were filled with spectacular failures and deep frustrations for the engineering teams. Prototype after prototype crashed immediately upon leaving the launch ramp or spun wildly out of control over the water due to aerodynamic flaws. The pulse jet engine was highly temperamental, and the crude autopilot system struggled to maintain stable flight under heavy vibration. The pressure from Adolf Hitler and the military command was immense because they demanded immediate results to avenge the heavily bombed German cities. Engineers worked around the clock to refine the aerodynamics and fix the sensitive guidance mechanisms. The military even resorted to building a manned version of the flying bomb so that daring test pilots could fly the dangerous machine and identify the mechanical flaws that were causing the crashes. Slowly, the test flights grew longer and much more stable. By late 1943, the V-1 was finally proven capable of flying hundreds of miles and landing within a few miles of its designated target area. The weapon was deemed ready for operational use, despite some lingering reliability issues, and the decision was made to move forward with mass production. To unleash this new weapon, the German military had to construct a vast network of heavily fortified launch sites along the coast of France. These initial sites featured long, inclined ramps that resembled ski jumps and thick concrete bunkers to protect the launching crews. The V-1 could not take off under its own power because the pulse jet needed fast-moving air to work, so it was launched using a steam-driven piston catapult that accelerated the bomb up the long ramp. Building these massive concrete structures could not be hidden from Allied aerial reconnaissance planes flying overhead. British and American intelligence quickly identified the strange ski sites and launched a massive bombing campaign known as Operation Crossbow to destroy them. Heavy bombers pounded the French coast and successfully delayed the V-1 offensive by several crucial months. In response to this destruction, the Germans adapted and developed simplified launch sites that could be hidden in dense woods and assembled very quickly. It was a deadly game of cat and mouse between Allied bomber fleets and German construction crews. The bombing delay meant the V-1 was not ready in time to disrupt the D-Day landings in June of 1944, which was a massive strategic failure for the German military.